Hey, it's Adells. I'm really glad you're here. Today, I'll show you how I personally use a manual pump step by step with simple and realistic tips that actually help. I'll walk you through how I get ready, including a few gentle prep steps that make the whole process smoother and more comfortable. You'll see how to find the right rhythm, how to position the pump properly, and how to make the experience feel more natural and less tiring. These little things made a big difference for me, and I hope they do the same for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like it, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe for more practical tips and real talk. You're doing great, and I'm here for you. And remember, everyone's experience is a bit different, so don't worry if it takes a little time to get the hang of it. The key is to stay patient, listen to your body, and do what feels right for you. Also, don't be afraid to take breaks. If your hand gets tired or things slow down, it's totally okay to pause and come back to it when you're ready. This process isn't about being perfect, it's about finding what works best for you and making it part of your routine in a way that feels sustainable. Over time, you'll notice what helps you feel more relaxed and what settings or techniques work best. The more consistent and calm you are, the easier it becomes. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. If this video helped you even a little, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, questions, or even your own tips. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.